Hello. Today I want to talk about singular nouns and plural nouns. We use singular nouns with a, an, and also the. Now, if you want more information, you can look in your textbook on page 20 and 21. Remember, a noun is a person or a place or a thing. Here are some examples: woman, Shauna, dog, Seattle, pencil, desk, mother, Canada. Those are all nouns. When we are talking about things, we usually use a or an when there is just one thing. And we call that kind of a noun a singular noun, just one, singular. We use an when a noun starts with a vowel. What's a vowel? A vowel is part of the alphabet. It's A, E, I, O, U. Look at apple. Apple starts with a vowel, A. So we're going to say an apple, which means one apple. An elephant is another example of a word that starts with a vowel. An E is a vowel. All right, remember, very important, a equals one thing. Or an equals one. Here are some example sentences. It is a cat. Where is the noun? I underlined the nouns for you. Cat is a noun. A is, we use that one because it means one cat. It is one cat. It is a cat. Another example, there is a desk in the classroom. Desk is the noun. There's one desk, so we use a. A park is in Seattle. The noun here is park. And so we're going to use a, means one park. It's an eraser. There's the vowel again, so we're going to use an eraser, an eraser. I'm going to talk a little bit about the. We use the after the first time we say or write a noun. Okay, we use a or an the first time we write or say the noun. After we write or say the noun the first time, we're going to use the. Here are some examples. It is a cat. Okay, this is the first time we're talking about the cat. The cat is pretty. The cat is young. Okay, so the first time use a. Every other time after that use the. And then maybe you want to say another one. The cat is black, for example. So always using the afterwards, okay? There is a desk in the classroom. There's your noun. There's a. The first time we see desk. After this first time, we're going to use the. The desk is new. I like the desk. Okay, another example, a park is in Seattle. The park is beautiful. Here's the second time to see park. It's an eraser. Here's the first time to see eraser. Second time, the eraser is old. All right, now, when we have a name or a place, we're not going to use a or an or the. Okay, so we're not going to say, I love a Seattle. We are going to say, I love Seattle. We're not going to say, I am married to the Tim. We are going to say, I am married to Tim. Okay, so no a in front of these nouns, names or places. Now, when we are talking about more than one thing, it's plural. Plural means more than one. And we're going to use an S on the end of that noun. And we're not going to use a, an, or the. Here are some examples. They are cats. There's an S on the end, so there's not going to be an A there. There are desks in the classroom. There's your plural, more than one S. There are parks in Seattle. They are erasers. So those are all plural nouns. Now, for spelling rules of plural nouns, you can also look on page 234 of your textbook. Usually for the spelling, we're just going to add an S on the end of the noun. Okay, so one boy, two boys, just an S there. If a noun ends with a consonant and a Y, we're going to change the Y to I and add ES. Here's an example. One city, there's the Y. The consonant here is T, and there's the Y. So now we're going to change the Y to I and add ES. 2 cities. See, there's no Y there. 1 dictionary, 2 dictionaries. Change the Y to I and add ES. And the third rule, if a noun ends with a sh, ch, x, z, or es, we're going to add an es. 2 dishes, 2 watches. You see the ch ending and the sh ending here for dish, dishes. Here's an X ending, 1 box, 2 boxes with an ES on the end of the plural box. All right, I hope that helped learning about singular nouns and plural nouns. And that's it for today. Thanks, everybody.